I love streamers, and even more than streamers, I love integrated streamers. That's right, so a streamer that's a preamp that also has amplification. Well, Cambridge Audio has dropped off their Evo 150, and it does all of those things. Now I'm going to do a full review of this, but today I'm going to be installing it in this cabinet behind me. It's going to be set up as a 2.1 TV music system, right? So I'm going to have left, right, and a subwoofer with the TV, and I'm going to use the TV as a source using eARC. So we're going to talk through that, and then also this is going to be used with Rune for all of my music. So I'm really, really excited. This thing is super cool. Now make sure that you like and subscribe so that you can get the whole review video. But I couldn't wait, and I figured as long as I was installing this, I would take you along for the ride and talk through a little bit of the features of this device so that when it comes time for the full video, you're ready. Now, so this is the unit, all in one, 150 watts per channel, streams, also is a preamp, but it has a secret transformer ability though. This side panel comes off and you can replace it with other. So that's obviously a black panel, but we've got a wood tone panel that it comes with that you can install as well. Now, what I want to do is get an extra set of these guys and paint them orange because, you know, orange is my color. I think that would be complete fire for this system. Anyway, that looks really cool. Once I get it fired up, I'll show you the front panel, but we're going to jump and just take a really quick look at this rear panel before I put it in this cabinet. Input for Rune server, that's going to come, of course, across Ethernet. Now we're going to pull this Onkyo out, right? And one of the things I like about the Onkyo is that it's shallow and it fits in this IKEA furniture, which is really, really shallow on the inside. Well, this Evo 150 should fit in here as well. Now, as you can see, above the Onkyo, I have a Hi-Fi Rose player, and I'm not going to install this as that I plan to use the Cambridge Audio device for everything during the test. So we're going to go ahead and pull this thing out and see if we can jam that other guy in. All right, so the first challenge that I've hit is this in this furniture is still a little too deep because it sits pretty low and there's a little bar back here that the cables hit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this really expensive Hi-Fi Rose as a riser for this unit, and I'm going to set it right on top up here. Then I'll have plenty of room behind that for the cables, but down here by itself, if I had some type of riser that was about 1.5 inches tall, then the cables in the rear would clear the backing plate, but as it is, I need to move it up. So I'm going to slide it up here, put it on top. Okay, so rerun the cables up to the top shelf using this Hi-Fi Rose as a shelf. And now hopefully, oh, look at this. I think we're cooking with fire now. All right, let's see. Okay, that one closes. That closes too. So both the doors are now working. And supposedly I've got power on this. I don't know. Let's see. Look at that. Super awesome, room ready. Absolutely love that. Now, one thing that I'll also point out is that there is a wonderful 2-level knob on the front. So you've got volume here on the outside black knob, but the silver knob is your source select. Look at that. How cool is that? Moving magnet phono, Bluetooth, internet radio, AirPlay, Spotify. This has got everything. I love that. Media library, so very cool. It does not push though. One other thing to note on this unit is this is not touchscreen. There are actually little buttons right here. So you don't have to get fingerprints all over your nice display, although I have fingerprints all over it right now. But that's it for the install. So, you know, make sure you like and subscribe, ring the bell, do all those things, because I will have a review video on this unit, as well as how to set up a full multi-room environment using multiple Cambridge audio devices with Roon, right? So you can do party mode and all that kind of stuff, including this unit. So that'll be coming as well. And with that, we're going to go ahead and close it out. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.